Hi guys, for you saw my last video of the exhaust, that was just a bodge one. Well, now we have the real deal. Acraprovic. There you go. It's off the earlier models, but it fits a treat. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Now you can see the swinging arm. Boom. It's absolutely beautiful. And the sound, I'll start her up now. There you go. Yeah, no mods at all. Even the original bolt. And clears the swinging arm and everything. Beautiful. Start her up. Butterfly valve cables disconnected, and well, basically it doesn't bring up a light, so job done. There we go. Of that puppy is insane. Oh yes, so there you go. Who you know wants to know, you can bolt on and exhaust straight on it. It's the decat ops. Cheers.